Hi everyone, I am Rohan from QuickSense Innovation. In this video, I am going to explain about a temperature controller. This is the temperature controller TC05 model. This is a direct plug-in type controller. So basically we use temperature controller in industry and also in homes for the food processing, blood bank, food storage, packaging machines. We can use it. So this is a product and I am unboxing it. This is the main product, direct plug-in type. So here two switch, up, down for start and for stop, up and down. Here is a LED indication in the back of this product. Its operating voltage and load capacity is showing, and also temperature range 20 to 120 degrees Celsius. So this is a direct plug-in type. User manual along with this product also. So talking about its connection, so this is direct plug-in type. We direct plug it into our 220 volt supply and get loads here, direct plug in here, our loads, and this is the wire, sensor probe wire for detection of the temperature. So its probe wire's length is about 1 meter long, this probe wire. So now I'm going to direct plug it into our 220 volt supply and seeing the working of this temperature controllers using a bulb. So I have plugged it into our switchboard main supply and switch on. So currently showing the temperature 16.8 degrees Celsius, environment temperature. Currently it's showing 16.8 degrees Celsius. Now I have to set it for cutoff temperature range, like I set it to 20 degrees Celsius for cut-in and 21 degrees Celsius for cutoff. So when temperature is going up to 21 degrees Celsius, about 21 degrees Celsius, it automatically cut out, and when it reaches back to 20 degrees Celsius, then it automatically cut in. I am using a bulb for the load. Using this key, I am setting the cut-in voltage. I have set it to 20 degrees Celsius. It's blink for 3 times to set. 20 degrees Celsius is cut-in temperature, and cut-off temperature is 21.0 degrees Celsius cut-off temperature. I am using a bulb in the load and sensor probe. Here is sensor probe. Now temperature increasing. Now temperature is increasing as put the sensor probe in the heating area. I have set the cutoff temperature 21.0 degrees Celsius and cut-in temperature 20.0 degrees Celsius. So let's see the temperature, 18.4 degrees Celsius. Now you can see the temperature is about 20.7 degrees Celsius, and when it to 21.0 degrees Celsius, about 21.0 degrees, it automatically cut off. Now, yeah, you can see that 21 point off the load. Now I have changed the probe area from heating zone to cooling zone, and temperature 21.3 degrees now, and when temperature coming back to 20.0 degrees Celsius, below 20.0 degrees Celsius, it will automatically get on. Currently 20.9 degrees Celsius. Here you can see that 20.2 degrees Celsius temperature. When it's get below 20.0 degrees Celsius, it automatically get on the load. You can see that 19.9 degrees. Yes, it automatically get load on under 20.0 degrees Celsius. So its working is fine. Temperature controller you can use for the to control the temperatures